Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you a complete hair wash routine with a hair mask that will leave your hair nourished, shiny, and smooth. Whether you're dealing with dryness, frizz, or just want a self-care moment, this routine is perfect for you. Let's get started. Step 1. Detangle. Start with dry hair. Gently brush or comb through to remove any knots. This step helps reduce breakage during washing and makes the whole process much smoother. Step 2. Rinse hair thoroughly. Next, rinse your hair completely with lukewarm water. This helps open up the hair cuticles and prepares your strands for a deep cleanse. Step 3. Shampoo. Apply a small amount of shampoo directly to your scalp. Massage gently with your fingertips, never your nails, to remove dirt, oil, and buildup. Then, rinse thoroughly. Step 4. Towel dry slightly. Now, gently squeeze out excess water with a towel. Your hair should be damp, not soaking wet before applying the mask. Step 5. Apply hair mask. Take a generous amount of your favorite hair mask and apply it from the mid-lengths to the ends. Unless the product says it's safe for your scalp, avoid applying it there. Use a wide-tooth comb to distribute it evenly. Leave it on for the recommended time, usually between 5 and 20 minutes. Step 6. Rinse out the mask. Rinse thoroughly with cool or lukewarm water. This helps seal the cuticle and locks in all that moisture for a silky finish. Step 7. Condition. If your hair still feels like it needs some extra softness, you can follow up with a light conditioner. This step is optional, but great for added smoothness and easy detangling. Step 8. Dry and style. Finally, towel dry gently and style as usual. If you can, avoid using heat right after a mask. Give your hair a chance to rest and soak in all the benefits. And that's it. A simple yet powerful hair wash routine with a hair mask that keeps your hair healthy, hydrated, and glowing. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who loves a good hair care routine. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.